Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to own a yacht. Owning a yacht is a dream for many, but it comes with a substantial financial commitment beyond the initial purchase. We'll explore the various expenses involved, from the upfront investment to the ongoing operational costs. Understanding these figures is crucial for anyone considering this luxurious lifestyle. Get ready to navigate the financial waters of yacht ownership with a clear perspective. The initial purchase price of a yacht varies dramatically. A new 30-foot sailing yacht might set you back around $300,000, while a 50-foot motor yacht can easily exceed $1 million. Larger, more luxurious vessels can cost tens of millions. Opting for a pre-owned yacht can significantly reduce this barrier, often costing 50% to 70% of a new model. The choice depends heavily on your budget and desired features. Once you own a yacht, the annual operating expenses become a significant factor. Dockage fees alone can average around $1,000 per foot annually in prime locations. Fuel costs can be substantial, with larger motor yachts consuming hundreds of gallons per hour. You'll also need to budget for maintenance, which can be several percent of the yacht's value, insurance, typically 0.5% to 1%, and potentially crew salaries, adding hundreds of thousands annually for larger vessels. Beyond the obvious, there are often hidden costs. Unexpected repairs, upgrades, and regulatory compliance can quickly add up. Depreciation is also a major financial consideration. Yachts can lose 10% of their value in the first year alone. When it's time to sell, the resale value is heavily influenced by meticulous maintenance history, overall condition, and current market demand. Being prepared for these aspects ensures a smoother ownership experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.